Everybody's looking for the simple breakfast. Today we're going to have a potato, egg, and cheese frittata. Very quick, very easy, very versatile, and you can make this any way you want to with multiple ingredients. Very simple ingredients to start with. We're going to have one potato. We're going to have one egg. I've got some diced ham, shredded cheese, granulated garlic, and salt, and I've got a mixture of habaneros and parsley. These were frozen so they keep longer. I'm going to take the potato, we're going to cook this in the microwave for 2 minutes on one side. We're going to turn it over and 1 minute on the other side. Let me do that and we'll come back. Microwave over there. Alright, our potatoes came out of the microwave. The way you check it, see if it's done, you insert a knife in there. If it comes in easy, it's ready to go. We'll let this cool off because it's very, very hot. We're going to use half this potato. All right, while the potato is cooling off, let's turn our fire on. You want a medium low heat. You don't want it too hot. Let this heat up. Meantime, we're going to crack our egg. Mix that up in there. We're going to crack our egg, mix it up. See about peeling this potato here. Once it cools down, the skin will just peel off. Still hot. Be careful, don't burn yourself. A little help, put a fork in there to hold it down, help you peel it. Skin comes off nice and easy. Like I said, we're going to use half of this. There it is right there. Take the rest of the skin off. Cut this up a little bit, and then we're going to mash this down. It's obviously already cooked. Let it cool for a second. Then let's add the potatoes to the eggs, the ham, mix this up. Pan's getting hot, a little bit of oil. Make sure the oil is mixed in here. Make sure the oil is mixed. Then from there, very simply, just stick this in your pan. This is a lot of food. Smooth it out. And let it cook. We're going to put a little bit of granulated garlic on there. And you can add anything you want to. You can add celery salt, you can add Italian herbs. You can add pepper. Got my habaneros and the charson for that. Make sure this sets. They're very easy. Very easy, quick, very filling meal. Let's see if we can flip this. There you go. Look at that. That looks pretty good. It's about ready. Very good. Turn the fire off. Slide it into the plate. Add the cheese. I'm going to add a little bit of tomato. You want to make sure your knife is sharp. Do this. 1, 2, 3 slices. Our parsley and our habanero. And that's it. Breakfast, hearty, healthy, fulfilling, and it will keep you satisfied way past lunch if you need to. And that's it. Let's wrap this thing up, clean up everything. We'll come back and we'll try this and we'll let you know how it is. See you in a short. Little tip, we only use half potato. Take the other half. I use a sandwich bag, stick it in there, and this will go in the refrigerator. Don't waste anything. Let's try this meal. I went ahead and changed plates because one I had wasn't big enough. Add a croissant, tomatoes, gonna add some cracked black pepper, just for flavoring. Okay, let's come back and see how this is. Well, that's it. Very simple, very easy, very quick. And look at all that food. That is more than enough for one person, big time. I changed plates, added some cracked black pepper, and got me a croissant and put some butter on there. This is a good, healthy meal, good filling. Very easy to make, very quick. You can do this. It doesn't take much. And this is just a sample technique. You could add a tortilla to this. You can put this on toast. You can add vegetables, mushrooms, onions, green peppers, anything you want to. This is very healthy. This is very fulfilling. So, if you like this, like the video, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. You have a good day. Bon appetit. Bye. I'm gonna try this meal. Ham. Oh my gosh, looks good. You could even make a little sandwich with a croissant there. If you try other meats, hamburger, bacon, be sure you cook it before you add it to the eggs, or you'll be eating raw meat. Anyway, have a good day. Bye.